Welcome to Nykaa Skincare Haul by Expertish, and today I'll show you all the skincare products that I got and what are their advantages and what's the price range. The first product is from Dr. Sheets and this is for 424 rupees. This is their Kesar and Kojic Daily Pigmentation Correction Cream. It has great list of ingredients like kojic acid, niacinamide and glycolic acid which are good for dealing with pigmentation. The next one is a repurchase from Bioderma. This is the Sika Bio Creme and it costs 13.99 rupees. It's really good for repairing barrier and it's really soothing for your skin. So this one I really wanted to try. This is niacinamide and zinc serum by Ordinary and it costs 600 rupees and it's supposed to be good for blemishes and acne prone skin. Because I love gentle cleansers, that's why I bought the Sebamed cleansing foam which is 522 rupees and it's supposed to be good for acne prone skin or combination skin. Next is another purchase from The Ordinary. This is their viral glycolic acid 7% toning solution. So it retails for 950 rupees. It comes with a nozzle as well because you can use it on your scalp and it's supposed to be good for dark underarms, strawberry legs, pigmentation. The last product is a repurchase from Dr. Sheets. This is the Serum Iron Vitamin C sunscreen which retails for 424 rupees. This sunscreen really helped me when my skin was breaking out like crazy and my barrier was extremely compromised. It didn't irritate my skin in any which way and doesn't leave a white cast. So you should buy it. Stay tuned to Expertish to see more such detailed hauls.